Today we're going to talk about reimagining health equity investments. So what is health equity? Health equity means everyone has a fair and just opportunity to reach their highest levels of health. Let's think about that for a moment. Your highest level of health. I've had the privilege of working with patients and providers all across the country as a pharmacist, helping patients and organizations address health equity. It rings very true to who I am because I was born in Daytona Beach, Florida, known for its beaches, NASCAR races, and civil rights leaders like the late Dr. Mary McLeod Bethune, who started at HBCU in 1904 for black women with 6 quarters. I was raised by a dynamic and brilliant black woman, but I also suffered from asthma, which led to frequent trips to the ER. Black people have some of the highest rates of asthma, largely due to where we live and the environments that surround us, whether it's redlining, environmental racism. All these things impact our overall quality of life. This is my late grandfather, Bobby Lee Birch, who lived for 94 years before he transitioned. He was raised in rural Georgia. He didn't get a chance to finish elementary school, largely due to Jim Crow and the discriminatory practices that made up the United States at that time. Currently, the life expectancy for black men in this country is 70 years of age. That's 2.5 decades shorter than how far my grandfather was able to live. Healthcare disparities are driven by deep and entrenched social and economic barriers. According to a 2020 Kaiser study, it found that these healthcare disparities cost Americans $135 billion due to lost productivity and excess medical care. In other words, by addressing healthcare disparities, we can add $135 billion to our economic coffers. That's a lot of opportunity, everyone. I've had the privilege to work with 2Flow Ventures over this period of time, and it has been a remarkable journey. I would like to highlight a few healthcare startups that's doing some amazing work in this space. I'd like to highlight Vivicell Bio, that's developing a novel technology for addressing septic shock, which disproportionately kills more African Americans than any other group. We also have Culminating. That's a digital health platform that's leveraging technology to increase clinical trial diversity. And then finally, we have Temperin Therapeutics that's developing safe and effective treatments for people with vitiligo that disproportionately affects people with darker pigmentation. I would like to thank you for your time and attention. If you would like to connect with me, please reach out to me on LinkedIn or send me an email. Thank you for your time.